This 2016 Ford Transit wagon is brought to you by Sullivan Motor Company. Rest easy. With its one-owner and AMP buyback qualified Carfax report, you can rest easy with this Transit wagon purchase. Key features and options: comes equipped with rear air conditioning. This Ford Transit wagon also includes clock, tachometer, memory seat position, cruise control, power steering, telescoping steering wheel, power windows, power mirrors, passenger airbag, intermittent wipers, keyless entry, AM, FM, CD player, third row seating, vanity mirrors, reverse camera, side curtain airbags, roll stability control, tire pressure monitor, premium sound socks, audio input, cruise control, power steering, power windows, power mirrors, memory seat position, rear air conditioning, clock, tachometer, telescoping steering wheel, passenger airbag, keyless entry, intermittent wipers, AM, FM, CD player, third row seating, socks, audio input, premium sound, reverse camera, roll stability control, side curtain airbags, tire pressure monitor, vanity mirrors. Visit us at bestasreads.v12soft.com.